Oh my God, I did not record that entire thing. Isn't it fun to learn a language and finding out that there are two characters that have the exact same reading and then no one telling you exactly when one is used over the other? Well, let's handle that today. When you learn hiragana, you got a, I, u, e, o, kaki, kuke, ko, sashi, su, se, so, but then there's something that comes after some of those. It's the dakuten version. Dakuten are those hash marks, and what they do is they're softening the sound. So for example, kaki, kuke, ko becomes gagi, gu, ge, go. And the same thing happens with sashi, su, se, so becomes za, ji, zu, ze, zo. There we have our first versions. The T line also has that. So it's ta, chi, tsu, te, to becomes da, ji, zu, te, do. The same sound. So when are they used? The quick answer, you can stop the video right now. 99% of the time, you're going to use the S version, the one that goes to Z with the dakuten. Sometimes though, there's going to be the other ones. Let's talk about it. So first, let's look at some words that have zu in them. Chizu, which means map. Nezumi, which means mouse. Those are normal zus, okay? Now, there's a phrase, kigatsuku. Kigatsuku means to realize. But there's also a version of that verb where the ga is dropped and the tsuku, which means to attach, ki, which is like your soul or your inners, your inner feelings, whatever, it's attached. Your ki, tsuku, it means you realize, okay? But together, it's not kitsuku, it becomes kizuku. This is a rule that I don't like to talk about because I hate giving these, it doesn't help you like in your life to know the name of the rule. It's called the ren daku rule. The daku, part of that word for ren daku, means dakuten, or daku on, I'm sorry, the soft sound. And ren means connected. So connected, soft sound. What it means is anytime you attach two things together and the part that you're attaching can have a dakuten, it tends to have a dakuten. Kitsuku becomes kizuku. Shizuke is also tsukeru, to attach the day. That just means date. So what about chi becoming ji? Normally you're gonna use ji, like in jikan, time. But what about when you have the word chi for blood and you're gonna attach it to nose, you have hana ji, nose blood. Every time you watch anime and a cute girl comes into the scene, you're gonna see hanaji. But that is because chi is used to make blood, and when blood gets attached to nose, it uses that rendaku rule to become hanaji. Another thing that happens is if you have a sound that continues, two sounds together, they'll add the dakuten to the character. For example, tsuzuku means to continue. Tsuzuku. I tend to say the zu like a zu, and I don't know if that's because I was in the northern part of Japan or something. I don't know. I have to ask my wife. She says they're the same. Also with the verb like chijimu, to shrink, chijimu, chi-ji-mu, or chijimaru, also to shrink. That's it. We'll see you in the next one. If you have a question, ask it in the comment. Bye.